Hey there, REC TEC family, Chef Greg here with you. Today we got a really easy recipe for asparagus. We're gonna get this marinated in some balsamic vinegar and go ahead and grill them off on the bullseye. I prefer the jumbo asparagus for this. I think they have a little more flavor and they stand up to better high heat cooking that we're gonna do today on the bullseye. So to trim your asparagus, how far do you need to trim them? Because the bottoms of these are very fibrous and really inedible. So if you take the asparagus and bend it, where it snaps is where you'll want to trim. So if you take those asparagus, kind of stack them up, I know we're going to trim off the bottom part. And I know it looks like you're wasting a lot, but some of these, they're almost like trees on the bottom. It's really tough to eat. So what we'll do is we will spread these out on our baking sheet, hit it with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, touch of salt and pepper. And we'll grill these off at high, so about 500 degrees for about 6 to 8 minutes. Right before they're done, we'll top them off with a little bit of asiago cheese. All right, our balsamic grilled asparagus is done. We topped it off with a little bit of asiago cheese. Super easy grilled vegetables. Only took about 6 minutes. Still good and crisp. Great flavor.